Hi you guys, thanks for joining us. So today we have a great video ahead, so stay tuned. To our channel, I'm Ruth. I'm the co-owner of Glam Squad Wigs. So today I'm going to do a little story of why we use professional color only, and then show you a little quick tutorial of how I color this U-part wig behind me. And she is the Roxy Love, you guys, available on our website for pre-order. So make sure you get her definitely after you see this video. So right now I'm going to show you and explain to you of why we use professional color. Okay, professional color is amazing. It will cost you more, okay? It will cost you more in the salon. It will cost you more, period. So professional color is better for the hair, okay? It's more nourishing for the hair. It has special conditioner. You're not gonna have to have an issue with any like crazy breakage. You get your ends cut, you do what you need to do. So what I mean is, I used to go to, before I knew anything about hair, I used to go into the hair store and get like the little semis or whatever colors and put a black on my hair. Those are metallic salts, okay? Metallic base hair color, and that creates, it gets more darker, it gets more build up to the hair, and you will want to get that cut out eventually. Cut your ends, do what you need to do. So right now we are going to color our U-part wig, and she is not the color I need. She's actually a level 4, you guys. I am a level 2, okay? I'm a natural level 2, and she needs to be darker for me. But I got so many compliments, you guys. I got so many compliments off of her, and down to the little children. They compliment me and they said, "I love your hair." I said, "Thank you, thank you, thank you." But I know that is not 100% for me. You need to have her darker. Please put in your order, any comments, so we would know whenever you order her. And we do an add-on service with her as well. So right now I'm going to set up and get started on our color, okay? So this is our Roxy Lob, and she has 2 clips at the top. In actuality, just know she won't have 2 like how I have mine. I personalize it to me, but she will have 3 clips at the top and 1 clip at the bottom with the logo, and an adjustable band in the cap as well. So yeah, she is beautiful, very beautiful, and she's very snug, and I think she's perfect for the actual size head shape of a lady. So I have my gloves, I have my ammonia free in the color 2N, and I also have my 10 volume developer, which is 3%, and it's for deposit. And I also have my bowls and brush. So right now I'm just going to deposit the color just briefly, and just make sure that you saturate it really well. And that is the key to definitely doing a color. This is just basic, it's nothing hard, so I'm just gonna skim through that real quickly. So right now I have my U-part, and I already styled her, crimped her off camera, and my hair is already sectioned as well and prepped. And before I did, of course, I used a heat protectant. Always use a heat protectant whenever you're styling with heat. So I'm just adjusting my parting, and I also left my edges out, so I'm going to go ahead and crimp those. So basically it's self-explanatory. It's nothing hard. You know, we made this wig to be an easy install for you ladies, and I hope you can enjoy the rest of the styling process. So this is my final look for our Roxy Lob. She is so beautiful. Her texture is on point with my hair texture. I'm a medium texture. I'm not coarse, I'm not fine. And yeah, the install was easy. It only took me 5 minutes to style her. And yeah, and also I wanted to mention you can also wear her blown out straight as well. And I'm glad you were able to watch our video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.